Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to do another unboxing, and it's going to be the Avantree NB05. This is a wireless speaker slash earphones. So we have two functions here. Now let's look at the specifications real quick. We have Bluetooth 5.0, we have a 360-degree surrounding system, surrounding sound. This is lightweight and no lip sync delay. You can read here in these available languages here. So yeah, I have to say that I've been using these speakers for, let's say, 2 or 3 days now. Inside here we have 1 micro USB charger and different size ear tips and the usual paperwork. We can register our product and get an additional 12 months of warranty. You can use this promo code if you want to. Yeah, basically this is the manual, tells you how to use it, etc. Now for the speaker itself, we have the earphones here. And we can put the earphones back by pressing this button here. And also on the right side is the charging port, the micro USB charging port, and the on-off button.
Power on, battery level high, connected.
Yeah, we have a silicone strap here that connects the two speakers. And on the left side we have only the button for the earphones, and here on the left side we can change to earphones or speaker. Now as I said at the beginning of the video, I've paired this phone with my I'm sorry guys, I've paired these speakers with my phone. Yeah, let's go max volume. Here we can change from speaker to earphones. Okay, so we are now on the wide angle camera, and being a wide angle camera, here we have, yeah, the volume is not too low, is not too high, is exactly where it should be. And let me just now put this on my neck and do like a sound test. Okay, so we are testing the speakers now. I have them connected to my phone. Okay, so we are now on the wide angle camera. Yeah. And being a wide angle camera, now let's switch to earphones. Yeah. As you can see, you don't hear anything from the speaker. It's on the earphones. Now with a little button, I can change them. We cannot zoom in. And yeah. So, final thoughts of this. This is a major go. I totally recommend you buying these things. The link will be in the description box below. And yeah, these are great. Also, one additional thing, these are great to watch Netflix on your phone and to play some PUBG Mobile. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.